I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a custom post and core. This essential procedure restores teeth that have lost a significant amount of their natural structure, often after root canal treatment. We begin by carefully preparing the root canal, ensuring it is clean and shaped appropriately to securely house the post. Proper canal shaping is crucial for the stability and longevity of the final restoration, providing a strong foundation for the future crown. Next, we focus on capturing an incredibly accurate impression of the prepared root canal and the surrounding tooth structure. This step is absolutely vital for creating a perfectly fitting custom post and core. We use specialized impression materials designed to capture even the finest anatomical details. Employing a custom impression tray or a precise syringe technique helps ensure every contour is recorded, leading to a restoration that fits like a glove. Once the impression reaches the dental laboratory, skilled technicians begin the fabrication process. They pour the impression with dental stone to create a precise working model of your tooth. A wax pattern of the custom post and core is then meticulously sculpted on this model, replicating the exact shape needed. This wax pattern is subsequently cast in a durable dental alloy, often a gold or base metal, ensuring strength and longevity for the final restoration. Finally, the custom post and core is ready for placement. We carefully try it in to ensure a perfect fit and make any necessary minor adjustments. Once confirmed, it is permanently cemented into the prepared root canal using a strong dental cement, creating a robust foundation. This crucial step ensures maximum stability. With the post and core securely in place, the final crown can then be precisely seated, completing the restoration and returning full function to your tooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.